Hello everyone, welcome to VKS YouTube channel. In this video, we are just going to discuss all about the introduction to the counting. In the previous video, we already discussed all about the roadmap for that probability and statistics. So let's start from that counting. So first of all, what exactly the counting is it? So we need to understand, right? So before it, let me just give one example so that for the better clarity. So there is a one state called the Odisha. And so our destination is what? To reach out to the Bangalore. To reach out the Bangalore. Now, so here, this is the first, the initial stage, this is the final stage. So here we will start the journey from the Odisha to Bangalore. So now in the middle of this one, so there is a Andhra Pradesh is there. So here, from Odisha to Andhra Pradesh, so we are having, let's assume the three path. Okay, there is a three road, like three path is there. One is the P1, then P2, then P3. Similarly, if we'll just go for that Andhra Pradesh to Bangalore, assume that, so there is a five path. There is a five path. One road one, a road two, a road three, and a road four. So here, we have to just find out, now the question is what? Listen. Here, the question is, how many ways from Odisha to Bangalore via Andhra Pradesh? That is the questions. So here, let Odisha stand for O, Andhra Pradesh stands for the AP, and Bangalore stands for the P. So now here the point is what? Like if we will just go for Odisha to Andhra Pradesh, so there is a what? One is the what? P1, next P2, next P3. Similarly, so here from Andhra Pradesh to Bangalore, we are having a road 1, a road 2, a road 3, and a road 4. Okay. So here we can also write like this. So here we are having what? So P1, P2, P3. This is the Odisha to this side is Odisha to Andhra Pradesh path. Okay. And here Andhra Pradesh to Bangalore path is what? Here. So one is the what? R1, R2, R3, and R4. So here, this method is known as, matrix method. P1, R1, P1, R2, P1, R3, P1, R4, P2, R1, P2, R3, R2, P2, R3, P2, R4, P3, R1, P3, R2, P3, R3, P3, R4. So now here in matrix part, we already know rows and column, the multiplication of rows and columns. So here columns. So here how many rows and columns are there? So here 3 rows are there and 4 columns are there. So hence the number of ways is what? Obviously the output is equal to 12 ways. Hence you clear that counting. So right. So likewise we are just counting. Okay. Likewise you are counting. Like or else you can say that. So there is a road 1. So in with road 1. Okay. In that road 1. So here we'll just go for that. P1 can be go for that R1 with R2 with R3 with R4. It means what? So here P1 is having here P1 is having 4 ways. Similarly, P2 is having 4 ways. Similarly, C3 is having 4 ways. So hence, how many P's are there? Total 3 P's are there. Pi. So here, so how many ways are there? 3Pi multiplied 4 ways is equal to, so here I will be start from 1 to 3. So it means what? So it will be give that 12 ways. This is the answer. So these are the method to solve this one. Now, let's go for the concept called the coin concept. Okay, so let's take an example of the coin. Now, the touching a 3 coins. One is the what? One coin is what? Let rupee 1, then rupee 2, and rupee 3. So first of all, here question is what? Here question is asking that. Here question is asking that. So here the total number of ways to perform the 3 simultaneously coins. Now, here R1, here R1, rupee 1 is having 2 parts. What? One is the head and next one is the tail. Rupee 2 is having 2 parts. Head, tail. Rupee 3 is having 2 parts. Head, tail. So now here you can just see that one head, tail, one head, tail, one head and tail. Each coin is having. So it means what? You can say that. So here, this is the 1 2 ways. This is the 2 ways. And this one is the 2 ways. So we can say that what? So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, which will be what? 2 to the power 3. Correct? So it will be what? So this part will be what? So these all are working together. All are working together. If all are working together, then we will just prefer what? Multiplication. We'll prefer the multiplication. Now, so let's solve one question. Let's solve one question for the better clarity. So one question is there. You have 4 different books. You have 4 different books. One is the A, comma B, comma C, and last one is the D. And 3 different books, bookmark, you can say also bookmark 1, 2, and 3. So question is, how many ways can you place a bookmark in each book? This is the question. So please just pause the video and start solving this one. Pause the video and start solving this one. Now, so here, first of all, here we have to find the given part. What exactly the givens in the question. So here 4 different books are there. 4 different books are there. Okay. What are they? One is the A, next B, next C, and next D. Now, then 3 different bookmark is there. Bookmarks is there. 1, 2, and 3. Right now, here, what we'll just do, so here we will just do like this. 1, 2, 3. We'll just go for what? We'll go for the matrix method. We'll go for the matrix method. Okay. So in this matrix method, so here A, B, C, and D is there. So now here A1, okay, B1, C1, D1, then A2, B2, C2, D2, then A3, then B3, C3, D3. So here, if we'll calculate the number of rows and column, so it is giving what? It is giving total 3 multiplied 4, which is equal to 12 ways. So hence, if this type of question will become, so you can just handle this one. Clear? So right now, I'm just giving you one homework. One homework I'm just giving you. So please just write, and please, if you just find the answer, so answer me in this comment box. Okay, I expected you all will give the answer in comment box. Whenever just you will read the question, whatever answer is coming in your mind, just drop that answer in the comment box. So here, suppose you have 5 charts and let 8. This one is the 8. Okay. Let me just erase 8 pairs of pants. 8 pairs of pants. Now, question, in a chart and a and sorry, not in a chart. Now, let me just change the question properly. In how in how many possible ways can you dress off by wearing a shirt and a pair of pants? I expected answer in the comment box. Those who are just seriousness students, so please just answer in that comment box. Okay, so now next question. So these are the first concept we cover. Now let's go for the next part. Now basically whatever we discussed right now, so now you got basic concept related to the counting. Now, if I will just ask you, what exactly counting now? Now, some of you, they will just answer, what? Sir, counting. Okay. So counting means what? Like, I can just say, like there is a one box is there. Inside the box, okay, there is a different color ball is there. Different color ball is there. Okay. So now here, my question is what? My question is just count. Listen, how I will just count. There is a different type of counting. Okay. So here, first of all, I should just say that, okay, in this box, how many different color balls are there? First of all, you will say, sir, there is a first blue ball. Okay, first there is a what? There is a first blue ball. Okay, first blue ball is there. So next point. So there is a red ball also. there is a red ball also. So then there is a sir orange ball. Okay, orange ball. And then there is a purple ball. Purple ball. Is there any other ball is there? No. So it means what? Answer will be what? Here answer will be, here answer will be, so four different color. Four different colors are there. But right now, if I will just say that, can you just tell me like how many total balls are there? First of all, you will just do what? Here you will just say that, sir, in blue, so total three balls are there. In blue, total three are there. In red, total three are there. In orange, total three are there. In purple, total four is there. Let me just remove that one part, one ball. Okay. So now you can just say that. Okay. Now you can say that total three are there. Now here, if I will just say that total how many balls are there, if you will just count all the colored balls, okay, how many balls are there? So what you will just say that? So it is the plus, 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 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total how many answer? What is the answer? So here you will just say that, sir, total 12 is there. Now, so how is there any possible like any other way is there? Yes, you can just do. So that one is what? So there is a what? One counting is what? One counting is nothing but the addition. Okay, so is there any other ways there? Yes. So that is nothing but the what? Total how many threes are there? Total four threes. So you can just do like this also, or else you can just do like this also. So it means what? Multiplication. Multiplications. Okay. So here the symbol of addition is what? Like this. The symbol of multiplication is like this. So this is the one counting you can see. Okay. So now next point is what? So is there any other like definition is there for the counting? Yes. So one is the what? A repetition, and next one is what? Without repetition, or replacement, or without replacement. You can say that. Right? Okay. So like this, you can also say that counting. What exactly counting is it? So counting is nothing but, so here you can say that distinct items means the different items. So what do you mean by that? Next part, the counting part. So that one is the what? So if this part is the different part, if this part will be different, then it will be what? Same item. Okay. So what are the different items? Means what are the different color balls are there? So your answer is what? So four different color balls are there. So what are the different like same type of like items are there? Total how many? Answer. So you are saying that 12, sir. 12, 12. Okay. So now this is the tools. Now, so let's go for the each cases. Like for example, let case number one. Case number one. So assume that here in different items taken all at a time. So here one condition is there. What? So here repetition allow. Repetition allow. So now what to do here? So first of all, we'll solve like this. First of all, you can just take that same example that you can say that two coins are there simultaneously, it is tossed. So here each coin is having head and tail, head and tail. So here this part is the two ways and this part is the two ways. So here inside the box, so you can just do one box method. Okay, inside the box, so you can just do like this. For example, there's n number of coins are there. Example, n number of coins are there. How exactly you will just count? How exactly you will just count? So here you will just follow like this. So 2, 2, 2, like this, it will be multiplied n times 2, n times 2, n times 2. So now here you will just write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply dot 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 dot. Okay, so n. Okay, the time will become, so you will just say that, okay, you will just say that 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n number of ways are there for the n number of coins. Okay, so if anybody will just ask you, if you will just tossed n coins, then what are the number of ways? So that one answer is what? The conceptual question. Gate is all about conceptual questions. The answer is what? Answer is 2 to the power n. Right? Now, next. Next, go for that. Case number 2. Case 2. Here, n different items taken all at a time. So here, same same condition. What? So here, repetition is not allowed. Not allowed. So now, if repetition is not allowed, let's take an example. Here, assume that there is a one box. Assume that there is a one box. So inside the box, so there is a 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball, 4 ball, 5 ball, 6 ball, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls are there. So here, as he just said that, so here repetition is not allowed. Like, for example, before it, let's understand one concept called what? So like one ball is there. Okay. So one box is there. Inside the box, okay, inside the box, so there is a ball is there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls are there. So now in these 7 balls, so I just pick out one ball. Okay, I just taken out one ball from the box. Now, if we'll just pick out one ball from the box, okay, this ball will be never dropped inside the box. Okay, again, it will be never dropped. It means what? So here we are not repeating that part. If there is another case, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, assume that. So we are just what? We are taken out, okay, we are taken out one ball from the box. So right now we are taking out that ball, and again the same ball will be dropped. Again it will be dropped. Same ball in box. So it means what? So this case is known as the what? This is nothing but the without repetition or replacement. This is the what? With repetition. Similarly, so here, whatever ball will become, so that will be never repeat. That will be never repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, here, what I will just do, here, basically, I will just focus on what? I will just focus on that fast ball. If the fast ball will become like I'm picking that 10, then it will be 9. Okay. So if this ball is completed, total 9 ball is there. Now 9 ball is completed, total 8 balls is there. 8 ball is cancelled, like pick out. Okay, now 7. Now 7 is cancelled. Then likewise 6. Then 6 will be cancelled. 5. 5 will be cancelled. 4. 4 will be cancelled. 3. 3 will be cancelled. 3 will be what taken out from that box. Now 2. Now 2 will be taken out from the box. Now at the end 1. So now here you are just going to, in the case number 2, you are just finding what? 10 multiplied 9 multiplied 8 multiplied 7 multiplied 6 multiplied 5 multiplied 4 multiplied 3 multiplied 2 multiplied 1. So now, so here while looking at to this part, so there is a one one like formula is created. Okay. So in the standard 8, we already known this part. Okay. Standard 6 to 8 within this. Okay. We just learn this part. That one is what? The product of, okay, the product of natural number. The product of natural number. The product of natural number. It means what? This will be n factorial. Like, or else you can say that 10 factorial. Right? 10 factorial. So this is the point. Okay, this is the point. Now let's go for that case number C. Case number case number. So in this case, okay, so there is a n different items taken are at a time. Are at a time. The condition is what? Condition is without replacement. Without replacement. So now the point is what? Like if I just change the position, will it be like impact to that answer? That is the question. So here assume that. So there is a what? There is a person X and Y. Okay. So now here Y and Z. Now Z and let Z and N. Okay. So now if I will just change the position. So now what I will just do. So here X and Y. Similarly, what I will just do Y, Z. Now next here Z and. Okay. Will it be impact? So here this position, the position here, the point is what? The position is changed. The position is what? Changing. So this position is known as what? This position is nothing but the relative position. Now the relative position is what? Now it is generated. Now the relation position is what? Generated. So here, what we'll just do? Here, what we'll just do? Take an example. So here, if X, Y, Z, if X, Y, Z is there. Okay, if X, Y, Z is there. Okay, so now here it will be taken what? It will be taken 2 at a time. 2 at a time. Now, what will be happen? So now here the number of arrangement is what? Number of arrangement is this X. So now here as the answer is 2, as the answer is 2, so hence, so we have to just create 2 box. So here how many elements are there? Sir, total 3 items are there. 3 items are there. So it means what? In the first part, so 3 ways are there. Assume that in these 3 ways, so one part is what? Removed. In these 3 ways, one part is removed. How many items are there? Sir, 2 ways. 2 items are there. It means what? So here 2 ways are there. Like either we can take a Y or else we can just take the Z. But after it, can we expand? No. Based on this 2, based on the data as it is given 2 at a time. So it is this one. So likewise, the 3 3 multiplied 2 equal to 6. Now, this is a point. Now, let's take another example. So here, assume that, okay, assume that, so there is a X or A, B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D, which will be taken, which will be taken which will be taken 4 at a time. So it means what? So here, now same way. So how many items are there? There is a 4 items are there. If 4 items are there, so now how many times it will be take? So 4 times. It means what? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 houses is there. So right now, assume that, so here A, B, C, D is there. Which element, how many elements should I take? So as there is a 4 element, you are having 4 ways. So you can just say that I'm having 4 ways. So now cancel that A. Assume that A is what? Transferred here. Now how many ways are there? So now it is transferring to 3 items. Okay, so now how many ways are there? 3 ways are there. Similarly, assume that B is cancelled. How many ways are there? 2. C and D. So 2 items. 2 items. So it will be 2. Now, next. So how many? If I will just cancel C, so there is a D is there. 1 ways are there. So now it is 1. So if we'll just multiply this, so now you are getting what? You are getting the answer. 4, 3, 12, 24. This is the answer. Right? So now this is the things. Okay. So let's assume last part. Okay, last one. Last one is what? So here, assume that, so here n items taken are at a time. Are at a time. So now here repetition are not allowed. Repetition are not allowed. Then what to do right now? Then now what to do? So here the point is what? What is the total number of ways? Total number of ways. That is the point. So here n items are there, r at a time is there. It means what? R is the what? N is the what? Items. Means n number of items are there. R is the time, means r time is there. So right now, what I will just do, so here, I can say that n, it will be multiplied n minus 1, n minus 2, likewise n minus 3. So the time will become n equal to r minus 1 time. So indirectly, this part we can say that NPR. Okay, NPR. So now here one concept we are going to know, that is what? That is number of arrangement in different items taken are at a time. It means what? Number of arrangement is what? Assume that number of arrangement will be x. So now I can say that x, the x is equal to NPR, which is equal to, okay, factorial of n minus r, n divided by n minus r, right? So now same way we are just saying what? So here assume that one question, I'm just solving one question. Okay, so there is a what? Like we are just saying that, so total 4, like A, B, C, D, like 4 items are there. 4 items are there. Now, how many times? Like you can say that, let's assume the 3 at a times. 3 at a times. It means what? So here, R is what? 3. Now here, N is equal to what? 4. So NPR. It means what? So 4PR. So now here, 4PR means what? 3. R is the 3. So here, you can say like this. What? So here, 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3. It is equal to what? So it will be give what? 24. Answer is 24. Clear? Clear the concept. Now, so for today class, this much concept will be covered. Okay. So now I will just give you the two questions. So your goal is what? To cover that two questions. Okay. And give me the answer in the comment box. Okay. So the question is what? Now the question. So how many n-digit numbers can be formed using, assume that 8, 2, 1, 7, 9. Now, without any repetition of digits, when I value equal to 4, I value equal to 5, and I value equal to 3. Please just give me the answer. This is your task. Okay, this is your homework, you can say. Home. Okay, so give me the answer. Give me the answer. Okay, in the comment box. So I expect, so you all will give the answer. I expect you will all will give the answer. So if you'll just like the video, so please do subscribe and give the like buttons. Okay. And now if you are feeling that this one is the one of the very informative video, please just do share with your friends, and that's it. Okay. So in the next video, we'll just come up with a lot of questions or any new concept. Okay. For today, that's it. Bye.